New day, more snow. Today we are just up to a friend. I'm trying to start up this Suburban that I've been standing the whole winter. Last season the battery died on it. Been standing too long. And it's a special battery with 2 different connectors, so that was just hopeless. So now I just take another normal battery and try to make some adapters, because you can't waste money on an expensive battery. And it's been standing so much it's going to be ruined. So let's see. Yeah, then quite theoretically we are supposed to get in and supposed to start if this battery is okay. And remember I said theoretically this car haven't been started for a very long time. Let's see. It's happening. Started right up. No problems. Making a lot of noise because of the door. There, stop the noise. And they say it's supposed to be half a tank of gasoline. I'm not sure. So, Suburban 1500. Started up right away. Happy days. Haven't been started for very long now. Yeah, let's see if we can move away some other cars and maybe drive it just a little bit. And just testing the old one. A lot of things making noise. I've been standing like this for a long time. Wheels in the back making noises. The wheels are very big, so making a lot of noises. Nice Norwegian roads. This is the E6 to Oslo. the brake was working. Levers have been making lunch. Very quick. Oh shit, there's someone up on the Range Rover. Luckily it was very little traffic on the main road today. Just keep on side of the road if you meet someone. Here you see the nice mountains. It's snow on them. Now we are very high up. Or maybe not. Maybe it's pyramids. Maybe quite far up. Yeah, I hope you guys liked this little video about starting that car today. I had some problem with the camera in the end, so I couldn't finish it as I wanted, so now we just take it here. I hope you guys are satisfied. That car is going to be fixed up later. There's no point stressing with that one. We have a lot of things that we have to do. So come back and look at my other videos and go to the 250 other videos that's already in there. Hopefully the weather is going better soon, because we had snowing for a couple of days here now. We are the 12th of May and the weather has been hopeless. So hopefully the snow is going to stop soon, so we can go out and make more videos outside instead of in a small garage here. And hopefully some cruising and some other car stuff can come up, and also go on visiting other garages and see things there. So thank you. Please subscribe and put a like if you like the videos, and tell me what all the things I do wrong. Thank you.